Hey everyone, welcome to Code Harmony. Today we are going to solve LeetCode Primary 2138. Divide a string into groups of size k. A string S can be partitioned into group of size k using the following procedure. In the problem statement, they are saying that the partition can happen with the following procedure only. Firstly, the first group consists of first k characters. First k character from string, and second group consists of next k character, and so on. And each element can be part of exactly one group. There is no duplication. For the last group, if the string does not have k character remaining, the character fill will be used to complete the group. So there are two main conditions. So whatever string is given to us, let's have a look on the example directly. So this is the example given to us where S is the string, k is something size of the group that we have to form, and fill is something if let's say the last group is not having enough characters, not having k characters, then use a fill character to fill the group. So we take the string, take first three characters. Why 3? Because k is 3. Take first k character and form the first group. After that, take another 3 character and form the second group, and take another 3 character and form the third group. Okay, now there is no character remaining in the string and we are done. So these are the 3 groups that we have to return. Let's read further. Note that the partition is done so that the removal of the fill character from the last, and we concatenate all the groups together, resultant string should be S. Okay, so this is the case where the fill is not used because we have the k size of S, length of S, multiple of 3. But what if the example is something like this, like this? ABC is the first group. Okay, we have taken it. D, E, F is the second group. G, H, I is the third group. And now what about the fourth group? J is remaining. See, fourth group is also going to have 3 characters, but here from the string we have only J. So I will just pick J and whatever is the remaining character. So one character is there. I have to make 3 characters. So 1 is filled, 2 characters are filled, 3 characters are filled. So whatever the remaining character, use fill to make it complete. And they are saying that after removing the extra character from the end, if we concatenate all the string together, we should have the whole string. So this is the problem statement. Pretty simple and straightforward. And S is going to have a lowercase English letter and so on. Okay, so how do we do it? At least we have to go on every single character because we have to form the answer. As we have to form the answer, we will be visiting every character. So there is no shortcut than doing the traversal because we have to at least form the groups. So what I will do is, let's say we are not given this fill and we have to just form group of size k. So why not we just directly try to find the group of size k? And what is the way they are expecting the answer? They are expecting answer in string array. So we have to prepare the string array accordingly. And how do we prepare that string array? We mention it and mention the size as well. So first of all, let's capture the size. Int n is equal to s dot length. Okay, this is the length of the string. And what should be the size of this array, resultant array? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 divided by 3, which is 3 point something. 3 point something, and what I have to do is I have to take seal of it. Seal of math dot seal of n size length of the string divided by 3, which is k. Okay, and this value should be floating, otherwise I'll get integer. And seal, whatever the seal is returning, I have to take integer. Now my size of this integer array is, string array is fine. Now what I have to do, I will be filling out the groups out of this S. Int I is equal to, not I, let's say I is 0 initially. I will be able to extract one group if and only if I plus k is less than equal to n. It means I can extract out the complete group. If we are not able to extract out the complete group, handle accordingly. Handle in a separate case. Handle non-complete groups. Group. Only one group will be there. That is like size equal to the remainder. Okay, I plus k is less than n. So what I have to do is, I have to capture this group somewhere. I will just capture it in string builder, new string builder, and in the end I will be adding this group to my resultant string. Let me take the string builder as well. String builder is equal to, initialization will happen here. Okay, string builder is there. Now what I have to do is, I have to extract k character, and I will definitely be able to extract k character. Int t is equal to k. I don't want to disturb k. So while t less than greater than 0, extract k character from s. So how do I extract? String builder dot append s dot character at I. Character at I is initially 0. So after we have extracted the characters, I will be incremented and t is already getting decremented here. So after this while loop, I have one group captured in my string builder, and that group should be added to my answer. Answer at this index, I'll be adding this group sb dot to string. And what position I should add it? Let's say I'm maintaining pointer ii for answer, and ii initialized with 0. So here I will be adding it to ii and then incrementing pointer for toString. Okay. So now I have captured couple of characters. I will handle this group later on. Firstly, let's try to see if it is working fine on integers on new string builder. Why it is causing trouble? String builder cannot be converted to string. String builder should be taken here. Builder. This case 1 is handled correctly because it is having 3 characters. Okay. But case 2 is not handled correctly because we have extracted the 3 complete k size groups, but last one is not handled. Last one is not handled, and last one should also have size of k. But actually it is having size less than k. But now in this case, we have got the answer. If we have got the answer, it means I is equal to n. If I is equal to n, you can directly return the answer. And now we have to handle it separately, handles k separately. If I is not equal to n, it means definitely I is less than k. So whatever characters we are having in the string, while I is less than n, just append it into the string builder. Before that, make the string builder fresh. String builder fresh string builder class sb dot append s dot character at I, and after that definitely I plus plus. Okay, and this loop is showing that whatever is the remaining character, let's say for this case 2, there is one remaining character. This is I have captured. So how many remaining character I have captured? I will just keep it in the count 0. Count plus plus. So if we are having, if we have to like make 3 characters, so count 0 will represent one character, 1 represent second character, 2 represent third character, and this is for size k equal to 3. Currently for count 0 I have captured 1. So count 1 and count 2 I also have to capture one character, but that character is x fill, while this count is less than n. What I can do is I can increment here in the loop as itself. What I will do, string builder dot append fill character. string builder dot append. See, the code is looking lengthy, but I'm doing the straightforward thing. From the string s, I'm extracting all the k size elements. If after extracting k size portion, I'm done with the string, then just return the answer, whatever groups you have captured. Otherwise, there is one more group which is having less than k characters. In that case, whatever characters we are having in the string, just capture that, and remaining characters just fill with this fill. And for the remaining character, I'm keeping track of using an extra pointer. Count is 0. So for count 0, I got j. For count 1, I will have x. Count 2, I will have x. Okay, and this loop is ensuring that I might get correct answer. And in the end, I do the same thing. Answer plus plus this. And why I'm returning here? Because I have kept the size of this answer accordingly. Because if I am about to make 3 groups, after making 3 groups, my answer is also done. So here in this case, I will get correct space to incorporate the 4th group. Okay, yeah, that's all we have to do. And in the end, if I just return answer, now in this case, I'm also taking care of the non-complete group. Let me run it again. But this is not working fine. Why it is not working fine? Count plus plus should be less than k, not n. Okay, these 2 sample test cases are passed, and this was the code. N string builder to capture every group, and answer. I can already decide in advance what is going to be the size of my answer array, and this is II for the answer. Taking care of every single group which is having size greater than k. So for every I plus k, if I can pick k element, then pick it. If I cannot pick k element, don't pick it. And after this, do I have 0 element remaining? Then return the answer. Do I have more than 0 and less than k element remaining? Then do this. Take up the remaining element, and the rest of the element just fill with fill. Now let me submit again. Submit on all the test cases. Okay, it got submitted successfully. And I hope you understood the approach. What is the time complexity? Just one iteration over the string. Because we have to do one iteration, we can't do better than this. And let me analyze that as well. Order of n. I hope you understood it. And in case you get any doubt, you just do let me know. Thank you guys. Bye bye.